Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Lees, and welcome to this Mental Health Minute on finding an eating disorder specialist. With the costs of treatment increasing, and because eating disorders are difficult to treat in and of themselves, and also have the highest mortality rate of any psychiatric disorder, the following are questions you can ask your therapist to find out whether you are receiving competent treatment for your eating disorder. One thing that you want to ask them is whether they have had specialized training in eating disorders. You want to find out what kind of training they had, where it was, and how long they received that training. A second thing to ask is whether they've either trained or worked in a hospital-based eating disorders program. Again, you want to find out what program this was in, what position they held, and how long they received that training or held that job. You can ask them whether they have any specific credentials showing that they are an eating disorder specialist. The CEDS, or Certified Eating Disorders Specialist credential through the International Association of Eating Disorders Specialists, is a credential that shows that a therapist has received extensive training and is qualified to treat eating disorders. A fourth thing to ask is what professional eating disorders associations they are members of, and which journals from those associations do they read on a regular basis. It's also important to ask what continuing education they have either received or taught in eating disorders within the past year. Any licensed clinician needs to receive continuing education credits, and if they're treating eating disorders, some of those credits should come from the eating disorders field. If a therapist doesn't have any training or hospital experience, at the very minimum, they should be receiving supervision from a credentialed specialist. If they also don't have a supervisor, then it's highly advisable that you or your loved one seek treatment from someone else. Seek treatment from someone who does have qualifications and expertise in eating disorders. Therapists who have training, hospital experience in eating disorders program, and or have a specialized certification will be able to provide effective treatment. Those clinicians that also attend professional conferences on a regular basis, belong to professional associations, and are current on the latest research literature are those who are very dedicated to the eating disorders field and have the highest level of knowledge and expertise to treat your eating disorder. Thanks for watching this Mental Health Minute.